Welcome to EDS 711 Self-View Assignment. I'm here with my partner. My name is Luga Boy, and my partner is Faith Boy. In defining a paradigm, Cooper and Lincoln defined a paradigm as a set of beliefs or a worldview that guides the investigator. Jessica Abadie concurs with this and says that a paradigm is a method, model, or a pattern for conducting research. We therefore understand that a paradigm is a lens through which we view the world and find methods of solving given problems. Each paradigm has philosophical underpinnings, and we have identified three, which is ontology, in defining what is real, and epistemology, in defining how we know, and axiology, in defining what is right. We have chosen phenomenology as our paradigm of choice. According to Abakpa, the term phenomenology originates from the noun phenomenon, meaning a fact, an appearance, or an event in nature or society, especially one that is not fully understood. Thus, Currently, phenomenology is viewed as an umbrella term incorporating both philosophical movement and a range of research approaches.
Phenomenology is also concerned with the study of experience from the perspective of the individual. This is because it utilizes a subjective approach via interpretive perspectives of theory by dealing with action and behavior developed from discourse within the mind. In simple terms, phenomenology can be defined as an approach to research that seeks to describe the essence of a phenomenon by explaining it from the perspective of the participant. Two prominent philosophers describe phenomenology. The first one is Edmund Husserl, who spoke on transcendental phenomenology, and the second one is Martin Heidegger, who spoke on hermeneutic phenomenology. Transcendental phenomenology is perceived by Husserl as the phenomena of an object or lived experience of an individual, and he reflected that it should be reflected on. And he says this method captures the way a person experiences the world around him or her, as well as his or her interpretation of reality. Husserl also states that the human and consciousness are one and can therefore not be separated from each other, meaning that when a person's experiences actually formulate their perception of the world. Hermeneutic phenomenology, on the other hand, believes that the presuppositions and beliefs cannot be set aside and that intrinsic awareness was fundamental to phenomenological research. The researcher needs to be immersed within the phenomenon. In Heidegger, he believes that the cultures and the background of the researcher actually influence the research. Now we will look at the purpose of phenomenology in education. In education, phenomenology helps us understand the experiences of others. It can therefore widen our understanding when it comes to complex concepts in education and the overall shortfalls that might be there in teaching and learning. This is made possible For instance, when learners are actually asked about their experiences at school, and as the learners describe their experiences in the overall teaching and learning that is going on in their school, the administrators of the schools are able to gain an understanding of how the school is functioning from the learner's perspective and experiences. Furthermore, educational phenomenology can also be an advantage in experiential learning. This is whereby the students are actually learning through hands-on experiences. This allows the learners to believe in themselves, and it also makes the teacher not to just be a sole provider of knowledge, but the educators are also given a chance to reflect on their teaching and to see if it meets the needs of the learners. The learners in this case are able to engage their minds towards learning and solving problems. This helps in building their self-esteem and also creating excellent and efficient leaders amongst themselves. This, we believe, is how phenomenology contributes towards education. Thank you.